how to add manager and editor to your YouTube channel. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically add in a manager or a editor in your YouTube channel. Simply open up youtube.com and then after that click on the top right, and then from over here click on YouTube Studio, and then that's gonna take you guys over here. And now from over here simply click on the bottom left on settings, then click on channel, then click on permissions, and then after that simply click on invite from the top right and type in the email that you want to invite of the person, and then simply choose the role that you want to give to that person. You can either have them be a manager or an editor limited. You guys can have them be any one of these roles, and then they are going to be able to of course work within these roles. So guys, that is how you guys can basically invite people on your YouTube channel. It's very easy and honestly doesn't take much time as well. Of course you guys can add one person, and then after that you guys can of course invite someone else as well. So let me just invite this person, and then after that I can also invite another person as well to be the manager. Let's say I can change his or her permissions to be the editor, and then I can simply click on save, and now these people are going to be able to get my invitations, and they are going to be able to just simply join my channel. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to do this. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.